Hello friends, welcome to the sixth video of 5G fundamentals. Today we are going to discuss about network slicing, concept of NFV, and what is the use of concept of variables subcarrier spacing in your network slicing and NFV. So network slicing is actually dividing a single network into different parts according to your use. So this division is done logically, not physically. Actually, these concepts provide the service provider to make the network to make the services in such a way that it is suited to the end user requirement. Like we have seen that there are few concepts coming in 5G ultra reliable low latency. So how this ultra reliable low latency can be reached? There should be some changes, and there are other cases where we required high data throughput. Latency is not such a big concern there. So in that case you need to provide such architecture that you are getting very good throughput. Apart from that, like cellular usage, it is not much getting impacted with your latency, and throughput is also not very much required in uh, your cellular usage. So there are different kind of usages, and we can tailor these requirements according to the end user. So let's say we are having a physical core, so we can divide that core into four parts for different usages: for low latency usage, for high data throughput usage, for cellular usage. So we are dividing the core into different parts. Similarly, we are dividing our um, NG RAN also into five different according to the usage. We can divide it. So the network is divided logically. So this concept is known as network slicing. So what enables network slicing is known as NFV. NFV is a network function virtualization. So it is actually a replacement of network function on dedicated appliances like routers, firewalls, load balancers. So with virtualized instances running as software. So all of these instances, all of these divisions are running as on software. So nothing is physical. So there is one physical hardware kept at somewhere. uh, in in the same time, the concept of distributed cloud also comes into working. So all these equipments are made like a software. Okay, so division is logical, implementation is software. So NFV concepts come into picture. So NFV, it enables network slicing and allows multiple virtual network to be created atop of a physical shared infrastructure. So this is 5G NFV, and it is enabling network slicing. So in NFV, the concept of distributed cloud is also coming. So you have to learn, if you want to go toward that section, NFV, distributed cloud, and then network slicing is the product of which. So let's have an example. So this is one slice of the network, cellular. This is other slice of the network. This is ultra low latency, like car, self-driving car. We cannot tolerate any latency in self-driving car because decisions are very quick. So this is ultra reliable low latencies. Machine to machine communication. So this kind of communication we can also have. So we can have this enterprise. So enterprise needs different kind of requirement from the network providers, service providers. So we can tailor the requirements and tailor the networks as per the requirements. So this is in case we are having a network, we are dividing into 4 different sections. Similarly, we can do multiple number of network changes, multiple number of network divisions logically. So this is the concept of network slicing. So network slicing is mainly enabled at physical layer by your variable subcarrier spacing. Physical layer, so we have read the protocol stack. So in the physical layer, the lowest layer of the all, we can see this subcarrier spacing concept. So this is the formula of subcarrier spacing. Delta F is equal to 2 raised to the power of mu into 15 kilohertz. So how is the subcarrier spacing calculated? If we place mu equal to 0 here, then 2 raised to power of 2 raised to power of 0, that is 1. So 1 into 15 kilohertz. So 15 kilohertz subcarrier spacing, as in it was present in LTE also. So similarly you can put 1, 2, 3, 4. So up to 240 kilohertz of subcarrier spacing is supported as of now in 5G. So we can do the necessary changes and the requirement. So why this high variating subcarrier spacing is required? Because of our different kind of requirements which was introduced in 5G. Like we are having IoT, M2M communication, like, but IoT we don't require too much of throughput. The throughput requirement is less, and for high throughput requirement, high data rate cases, so that is a different concept. So for every usage, every application, you need different kind of service. So that's why variable subcarrier spacing came into picture to cater the needs at physical layer of 5G. So this is how all of these are connected. So network slicing, enabler name is NFV, network function virtualizer, and at physical layer it is enabled with the concept of subcarrier spacing, and during NFV the concept of distributed cloud is also coming into picture. So this was the quick overview of network slicing in 5G. Please like, subscribe, and keep motivating me. Thank you.